Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to tell you why you should definitely buy the Casio F-91W. This is maybe the most sold watch of all time. It has been around for over 35 years. Also, it sells more than 3 million times per year. So this is most likely the most worn watch out there. It is a very retro 80s, 90s looking piece. You have a lot of functions and features, more than you find on mechanical watches, on regular expensive watches. So you have the time, the date, the day of the week, you have an alarm function, you have a chrono function, so you have a stopwatch as well. So you have all these functions and features that you can actually use. You have the 4 screws on the back that actually ensure that protection. You also have this resin strap that is going to last you for years. As you can see, you have Casio F-91W. This is the classic version. You have a bunch of other colors in case you want something more hippie, something more hipster. Maybe you want to have a different color that goes with your outfits. Maybe you want to buy a bunch of these watches. It is very easy to set, and you can find the full guide on how to use all the functions and features on our YouTube channel. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. It also has a light function. It is quite weak, but nonetheless it has one. So guys, if you are looking for an 80s retro looking watch, definitely consider the Casio F-91W. Maybe one of the best watches ever made, so make sure to purchase it. Also guys, if you are into vintage watches, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, link in the description box below. We have thousands of vintage watches for sale, so make sure to check them out. And if you want to see more videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel guys, leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you on the next video.